save them. So true Islam is that ideology that will stop these extremists. As President Obama said, ISIS distorts Islam. In order for us to defeat terrorist groups like ISIS and Al-Qaeda, we must discredit their ideology. Ideologies are not defeated with guns, they are defeated by better ideas. Now today is the 5th of November. If you've seen the movie V for Vendetta, you know that V says, ideas are bulletproof. So the idea that ISIS is espousing, they claim to be bulletproof. So it needs to be trumped by a better idea. And true Islam is that better idea. They like to pick and choose what they see from the sources of Islam, and which we call Sharia. Now, Sharia is an Arabic word which a lot of people fear. There's a trend of creeping Sharia. Sharia is creeping into America. And if you're a student, you kind of wish that Sharia would creep into America because Islam has banned interest. So people would be celebrating Sharia if it was really happening. Sharia can only be used by Muslims. It cannot be forced onto people who are not Muslims. So Sharia is the Quran, first and foremost. And then secondly and thirdly, the Sunnah, the practices of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his sayings. So this leads us to the 11-point True Islam Challenge. These 11 points take these basics, these fundamentals of Islam, the way Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and his companions, the earliest Muslims practiced, and brings them back to today. As Imam Azharni talked about, the first 6 have been discussed. Islam wholly rejects all forms of terrorism, and we have Quran and Hadith which cite to that. Islam believes in non-violent jihad of the self and through the use of the pen. And again, we have sources that cite to that. And then there's the concept of this verse. A lot of people love taking this verse out of context. And it says, and kill them wherever you meet them, and drive them out from where they have driven you out. For persecution is worse than killing. So a lot of non-Muslims are like, this is it. They are bent on destroying non-Muslims. They want to kill the Christians. They want to kill the